Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. My name is Julia, and I've been a beauty guide for 2 years with Limelife, and I hope you've all enjoyed your first full day of Limelife Unmasked. I'm excited to bring to you one of the most important topics and pretty much why we're all here tonight. So when you think about your beauty guide or some of the beauty guides you've learned or met from today, we come from all walks of life. We have different careers. Some of us are part-time, full-time, stay-at-home moms. Some of us are juggling all of that. We have business owners, nurses, social workers, teachers. I mean, the list goes on and on. There's somebody that can relate to each and every one of you, and how we all relate to each other is that we said yes, and we picked a starter kit. And what I get to talk to you guys tonight about is our silver starter kit. Yeah! That's a beaut, right? You can get this silver starter kit for $169, and it includes over $400 worth of products. I'll get into that in just a second. When you get that kit, you're gonna get your training manuals, your color matching swatches, and you're gonna get your catalogs as well. Included with that, you'll have your back office software. You get your own website. Yes, your own website. How exciting is that? So put this question in your head as I continue here. Do you see yourself doing what we all do? Think about that. Put it in there for the remainder of this event. And let's talk about what comes in this kit. So you're going to have an assortment of our best-selling skincare and makeup products. Starting with, on the skincare side here, you're going to have a full-size cleanser and moisturizer. You're also going to get our due date facial oil. And one of my favorites is our skin polish face mask, which you can just put this on your friends and family and sell masks all day long. And then not to forget, for our body, we have a body scrub called Bamboo Renew. So there you go. Skincare all intact right there. Moving on to the makeup side, it includes one of our best-selling tools, which is our Blenderful Sponge. It comes in this nice little carrying case, just like that. And then into the colors, we have a lip gloss, our Enduring Lip Color, 2 of our Perfect lipsticks, and a coordinating lip pencil to go with those 4 items. And then onto the eyes, in here you have a mascara and an eyeliner pen, both shown right here, and that's how I got my wing tonight, actually. And last but not least is the Trio palette in this bad boy kit, which includes 2 blushes and a bronzer. So this whole kit can come in 4 different color stories. There's light, medium, dark, and deep. So however fits you or your network best. But what I really want to hone in on here is what comes outside this box. We have an amazing community. You're going to see it here through this event of collaboration and support. It's there instantly. You're going to feel empowered with all the experience and knowledge of our team through skincare and makeup techniques. And then last but not least is the limitless earning potential. There are no salary caps. So think about where that could really fit into your life. And I get it. You might be thinking, I don't have time for this in my life. I have a full-time job, a part-time job. I'm raising children. You know what? You can do this anytime, from anywhere, however it fits into your life. Secondly, maybe you're scared to get into direct sales. Well, guess what? Spoiler alert. Everything is online these days, right? So we get to customize and personalize that customer experience. How cool is that? And then lastly, fear. What if nobody follows me? Wow. But what if they do? Think of your potential. We have the best of the best skincare and makeup. This is the best opportunity, and that's why we are presenting it to you guys here tonight. So whether you're looking for some extra income, or you need a creative outlet for your extra time, or maybe you're just passionate about cleaning up your skincare or helping others clean theirs up, or you just love makeup. Maybe you're somebody that wants to meet some new and inspiring and some of the raddest girls around. That's us. Yeah. All right. So again, do you see yourself doing this? Do you see yourself becoming a part of this? Not just the box, what comes out of the box too, right? Some of the perks that come behind this are you get to earn rewards and free products. You can have monthly sales incentives. I earned this necklace myself. We have one of the best comp plans of any direct sales model. And best of all, you can earn vacations when we can take vacations again. But maybe best of all is helping others. So if you're already referring your friends to your beauty guide, you are already doing this. So why not pick up on some of these perks and these benefits and get in here with us today? So again, do you see yourself doing this? Do you see yourself joining us? I hope so, because I'm creating that excitement tonight. Are you excited? Do you want it? Are you ready for this? If so, get with your beauty guide, ask those questions, pick your kit, and click that join button now. It will all start to build once you accept and click yes. Your success will come with that, your support will come with that, and we are all here to help you along the way. So thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope to have you joining soon, and we will see you guys all next time. Thank you.